think the government, Congress will not be able to form the government, and Rahul Gandhi will not be the CM. How do you look at it?
I think he should change his astrologer. No, I think we're already seeing in the first couple of phases a very positive trend amongst the public. The public is increasingly disenchanted with the BJP government at the centre. And I'm expecting already in this election a bit of a shock for the BJP government. As I said yesterday, I don't think 400 par is even going to be repeated by them. 300 par is impossible. 200 par is looking challenging for them. And I think we will see how it all works out. At the moment, the campaign is going very well across the country, and the first two phases, all the indications, the turnout and the voting patterns are that the BJP is losing ground. So let's wait and see. I'll be seeing you all once I've had a little bit of time to campaign and go out with talk again.
टाइम्स डिजिटलला लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबायला विसरू नका. पाहत रहा टाइम्स डिजिटल.